Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I'm going to show you a neat trick for hiding component attribute values on your PCB Silkscreen. Sometimes we want our boards to look cleaner, or we only want to show the essential info. In those cases, you can set certain attributes to not display on the Silkscreen. First, go into the PCB editor, select a component, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the property panel. Here you will find different options like position, device, package, and 3D model. If you don't want any of this showing on the Silkscreen, just uncheck the boxes next to the one you want to hide. Keep in mind, this only affects what appears on the PCB Silkscreen. It won't change the component's function or its network connections. And that's it, your PCB Silkscreen will now look much cleaner without all the extra info. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and save this video. See you in the next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.